Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your own YouTube channel. First thing you need to do is to get a Gmail. Once you get a Gmail, then after creating your Gmail, you come to youtube.com. When you come to youtube.com, you're going to see that everything is blank because it's a fresh email and you have not even used it to watch any video on YouTube. So you click on this icon here. Then once you click on this icon, you will now see create channel. If you have a channel already, you're going to see the channel here. So because this Gmail does not have any channel, you're just going to see create a channel. You click on create a channel. So the first thing you're going to do is to get a channel name. So depending on your niche, you enter your channel name. Also, it is important that this is the general method of creating a YouTube channel. So at this point, you enter your channel name. Let's assume that I want to create a channel that tells stories. So I'm going to type my channel name. So this is okay. Then you get then you enter your username. So if the suggestion here is okay with you, you go by it. If it's not okay, you enter your own username. This is your username for your YouTube channel. I'm okay with this. I will click on create channel. We can add the picture later. Now here you go. You have created your channel successfully. The next step is to set up your channel properly by adding a profile picture, your description, and your channel banner. Then you also create videos. So let's get started and set up our channels. The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to click on customize channel. So it's going to take you to YouTube Creator Studio. So at this point, you upload image banner and also you upload your profile picture. So if you are a graphic designer, you can get it done with any graphic design software, but I often use Canva, and I'm going to show you how to use Canva. So this is your channel URL, and here is your channel handle. Okay, both of them works. When you give somebody this or you give somebody this other one, it will lead to your channel. You can add your description. Tell what this channel is all about. I tell beautiful stories on courage, love, motivation, and also African folktale. So in your own case, you give a beautiful channel description. Here, if you have another link, maybe your website link, or let's say your Facebook link, you just add it here. Let's just call it website. You can add as many links as you have. Then you can add your email. If you have an email that you want people to contact you with, you can add it here. Then you can add a video watermark. For the video watermark and for the picture and the banner image, we are going to create it with Canva. They have given you a size. This is the size 150 by 150 pixel. So you click on upload if you have one. So I have one already. So this is what I want to use. I will use this one. So I've added this video watermark so that when people watch it, they're going to see subscribe. Next is to get a picture and banner. So just head over to Canva. You can search YouTube or search for logo. Let's just get logo quickly. So this is okay. We're going to select this. You're going to see different designs that you can use. I think I'll just go with this to save time, and I'll click on customize template. So I'm just going to select this, and I will tap on it to change this to T. I will tap on the S. It's okay like this, and I will change this to timely story. I will download it and I will use it for the profile picture. So another thing we're going to do is to get a YouTube banner. So to do that, just search for YouTube banner. You can see it here, YouTube banner. You can create your own from scratch, or you can make use of existing banner and edit it. So for the sake of time, let's use this. I'll click customize. So I'm going to change the background here. I want to use a kind of nature or African village setting. So I'll click on elements, search for African village. I'll click on photos. So I think I like this one. I'll select this one. So I'm going to delete this, and I'll take this and make it my background. I'll click on position, send it to back. Alright, so I will stretch it. I'm going to stretch it So I think I like this. So you can pay a graphic designer to do this for you. So at this point, I'm going to select this and I will change the color too. I can use this color or this color. Then I want to make it transparent, something like this. This is beautiful. So I'm going to change this and I'll write timely story. Timely story. We share beautiful stories. So I'm okay with this. Alright, so I will download. So I will go back to my channel and I'll click on upload. So I'm going to upload this. Can you see this is beautiful? I'll click done. We'll upload the profile picture. This is okay. I'll click done. So at this point, I'll click on publish. So you're going to get a notification here telling you that it has successfully applied the changes. Then you click on view channel. Can you see? Or you can as well reload. Then it's going to appear here. So this is beautiful. So this is how to set up your YouTube channel and the basic setup you need to do.